In today's video, I'm going to teach you how we can combine first name and second name into the full name in Excel. So this is really easy to do, and I will show you two ways how you can do it. And the first one is static. So that means if you are going to change, let's say, first name or second name, it's not going to change the value in the full name, and it's by using Flash GUI. So you want to firstly type manually the first name. So first name is Liam Smith, like this. And you want to make sure the cell is selected with the name, and on the keyboard press Ctrl plus E. So Ctrl plus E, and this is going to automatically fill all rows. So as you can see, but as I said, this is static. So if I would like to change the first name to John, it's not going to change in the full name. So there is better way how you can do it, and it's by using CONCAT function. So you want to type equals CONCAT like this, and you want to firstly select our first name, so Liam, then comma, quotation marks, space, quotation marks, and again comma. So this space between those quotation marks is going to do that the name is not going to be connected, and there will be actually space between Liam and Smith. So then we can select the second name, end of the bracket, and press enter. So as you can see, Liam Smith, and if you are not going to add those commas, this is going to happen. Now we can double click on this green square in bottom right corner of the cell. So this is going to automatically fill all of the rows. And this is dynamic. So if I want to change the first name to John, it's going to also change in the full name. And those are the two ways how we can combine first name and second name in Excel. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.